You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Indeed. I mortgage my life, my love, my everything for valueless pleasure of sex. Five minutes, maybe 10. At most, 20 minutes has cost me 9 years of my life. Nine years of love. 9 years down the drain. Just like that. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes. Nine. Yes. 9. 9. Yes.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should come and feel my heart and find reasons to capture the contest love. Inhale it and bring it to an abrupt end of its right of existence. The gift of love appreciates when it's lost. You wouldn't know whether to completely let it go or to go back and fight for the one you love, which may not rightly belong to you, but you fight because you don't want to let go.
Take it easy. I'm fine. Jade, why are you doing this to yourself? What is all this, for God's sake? You think drinking yourself to death will solve anything?
What will you have me do? Oh, tell me, mother, what will you have me do? What?
I expect you to stand up and take responsibility of your actions. Chidanechi,
Mother.
I expect you to forgive yourself. I expect you to forgive yourself by taking the bull by the horn. Yes. Sit down.
The mother of my son will not see me. And Anastasia will not take my calls. What will you have me do?
Should we sit down?
No. I will stand.
You don't need to blame any of them. Even I, your mother, I'm highly disappointed at you. Yes, all these years, you didn't let me know.
Please, mother, do not condemn me. I've had just enough already. I never knew she'd get the baby.
Oh yeah? Because you asked her to terminate it. Okay? Chidi, you didn't think that your father would have loved to know he was expecting a grandson.
What will you have me do, mother? What will you have me do? How am I supposed to make things right? How am I supposed to make Chinelo allow me see my own son? How am I supposed to make Anastasia forgive me and come back to me? Tell me, mother.
Shit, I don't know. I don't know, but definitely not stuffing yourself with alcohol. Not that. Go into the bathroom. Pat yourself. We'll think of something. Go and shower. I'll come back and see you.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, doctor. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
That must be Kanaya.
Yes, ma.
What a handsome boy you are.
What can we do for you, ma?
My daughter, I can't see you. We have something very important to discuss. Can I have a seat?
Um, no problem. You can sit.
Was never aware of all this until recently. A 6 years old grandson Nemi, should have come to me. Yes, as a mother. I will know what to do.
I came to the house once after I told him I was pregnant. But the gate man told me that Chidi ordered him not to allow me in. I also tried severally to reach out to you, but I was also denied access. So I just assumed that maybe that was your discussion with your son not to see me.
No, not at all. I'm so sorry, my daughter. Very sorry, okay?
It wasn't easy. It was not easy at all. At some point, I even contemplated ending it all. But thank God for my mother and Isioma, my best friend, because they stood by me through it all.
Name, I'm truly sorry. Please, I'm begging you. I want to plead with you to find a place in your heart to forgive him. Because forgive him.
There's nothing to forgive. Honestly, nothing.
My dear, you have a lot to forgive. Yes, I know you're hurt and justifiably so. I think Chidi has realized his mistake. You need to see him now. He's emotionally wrecked. Because of them. I'm begging you. His fiancée has left him. He can't get access to his son. Please.
He deserves it. He deserves it. He should be made to feel what it's like to be abandoned by that one person you really care about and love so much when you really need them. Please, madam. Please. I hope you're not here to ask me to forgive him. Though I bear him no grudge, I certainly do not want to see him. I don't want to see him.
My dear, everybody deserves a second chance. Chidi deserves a second chance. I'm begging you, my daughter. Please, forgive him. Before he drowns in this misery. Because help me save him. Just look at me. My good man. I'm not getting any younger, as you can see. I need my grandson back. Please, be good.
Oh, wait. What do you people want from me? What do you want me to do? Which grandson are you talking about? The same one he denied even before he was born? Which one? That he fertilized the egg doesn't make him a father. Chidi's mother was here.
What does she want?
She came to beg on behalf of her son. Do you know she didn't even know that Kanayo existed until recently?
Man, he doesn't want you. And he can't let go. But you have to forgive him.
What about how I feel? Doesn't it count?
It's easy to preach forgiveness, but hard to live by it. Chinelo, you have brought this pain for the past 6 years. But Chidi's mom, getting to know that she has a grandson after all these years, must be hard on her. And I don't know how I will feel if I were in her shoes. It's not easy.
Her son rejected my child. And that rejection shattered my life. Cost me everything. I lost everything. Everything.
I'm not saying it was your fault that he rejected the child, even while still in the womb. But I can remember clearly, you two refused to keep the child. Yes, it took you 6 years to accept that child as your son.
What are you saying? Mama, what are you saying? Are you now taking sides with my enemies?
No.
Are you saying that I have an unforgiving spirit, even when you know the gravity of the pain and the wound that rejection gave me?
You must forgive. You will eventually forgive him. You have to let go. Forgive him and move on. When you forgive and move on, you release yourself from that emotional trauma. Forgive him.
Oh. So, you want me to forgive him? Just like that? You want me to pretend and act as if nothing happened, right? No problem. No problem at all. Because that is exactly what I am doing. That is why I don't want to see him. That is why I want to forget him. That is why I want him to stay far, far away so that I don't remember what happened yesteryears when I set my eyes on him.
Chi, you have to let go. Oh, you must forgive him. For the sake of your son. And for you to move on. Chi, release him. Forgive him, move on. If you don't forgive him, you won't be able to move on. And when you release him from your mind, you will be light. You release yourself from that emotional stress. You know, go like a friend Anastasia will say. It's part of the healing process. Huh? No. Nemo. Forgive. You know, go. Forgive. Forgive him. Forgive and let go. You find out you move on. You know, go. Chio. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. It's okay. You know, go. No. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
What am I living for? Where my life is.
Am I back?
Good evening, Mom.
How did it go? Sit down. Sit down.
Not good at all. Not good. I didn't find her in the house. Her neighbors told me she has not been home for days now. And she's not taking my calls. I'm tired of all this. I'm tired.
It's okay. Take it easy on yourself, okay?
Mom, I've tried. I've tried. Did you go to see Chinelo?
Yes, I did.
How did it go?
Shady, that girl's still angry with you. How did you manage to shatter her heart into 8,000 pieces? I trained you on how to respect women, didn't I?
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry. I just don't know how I got myself into this mess. But I know somehow the past will always come knocking.
Children, you have to make things right. Yes. Not just for the sake of your son, but because it is the right thing to do. Okay? You have to go and seek for that girl's forgiveness. Let her forgive you first. Other things can follow. Right? It's okay, Cheryl. I said it's okay. Don't you trust your mom again?
I do. I do.
Calm down, okay?
I need to be with my son now.
You should leave.
Not until you tell him that I am his father.
Who gave you that nerve to walk into this house and refer to yourself as his father? I don't understand. How? What right do you have to refer to him as your son? What right?
Gee, I know I messed up. I know I wronged you. And you have every right to be mad at me. But come on. All I'm asking is for a chance to make things right. A chance to make up for all the years that I have been absent. A chance to be part of my own son's life. A chance. I know you are a woman with a beautiful soul. And I can see you struggling with yourself. But deep down, you know that this is the right thing to do. That boy deserves a better life. We need to secure his future. We need to do everything right for him. Boys, just
slow down. Okay? Slow down because you are not in a position to tell me what is right and what is not right here.
Yes, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry for treating you wrong. You do not deserve the way I treated you. I was selfish. And I'm sorry about that. Please, forgive me. Peppo deserves a better life. Let us move ahead of all this. Please, I beg you.
You can change a lot of things. But you can't change the fact that Chidi was correct.
I am sorry. From the depths of my heart, I beg you. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Be focused in life. Just be strong. If I'm a mega, God knows the best. If I'm a mega, Chida bigeka mama. Adinaka chubu, Adinaka chubu kero, Adinaka chubu. If I'm a mega, Adinaka chubu. Adinaka chupu kero, Adinaka chupu. Adinaka chupu, Adinaka chupu kero, Adinaka chupu. Adinaka chupu, Adinaka chupu kero, Adinaka chupu.
Good afternoon, my sweet son. Let you bring him home.
Or just for a few hours.
Look at my lovely grandson. How are you?
I'm fine.
You can call me Grandma.
Okay, Grandma.
The boy is handsome.
Just like his father.
Like father, like son. So, how did she let you take him home? I hope you both had an agreement.
Hey, come on, Mom. Of course you know I wouldn't bring him back home without proper arrangement.
Okay, I know that. So tell me, are you too good now?
I'm not sure about that yet. But I know he will bring us back together.
I'm happy for you, son. I'm happy. Come, my God.
Hello.
I know you are scared, but you don't need to worry about him. I never thought a day like this would come. And honestly, I am not prepared for it at all. But then, you are not prepared for a lot of things. But somehow, we adapt. Are you sure I am doing the right thing? Yes, of course. And Nayo needs his father as much as he needs his mother. I know you are scared Chidi might not be the right kind of father for him. But in my opinion, Chidi has done a lot of growing up these past years. You don't need to worry. All you have to do is trust him. I honestly wish I can stop worrying, but I can't. You have to. And I think he still likes you.
Hmm?
I saw the way he was looking at you.
Mama, please stop putting ideas in your head. Chile is in the past. Please.
I hear.
Baby, can you come back already, please? Where are you? Where are you? Can things just get back to normal? Can everything just get back to normal, please? Baby, where are you?
I cannot go with you.
But I thought you said you've forgiven me. Then why?
I am not going with you, period.
Listen, I don't... Just... Look who we have here. Son. Big man. I hope you're ready for me.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, okay? Let's leave. Huh?
Take good care of yourself. Okay, my love?
Okay, Mom.
Alright, time to leave.
Take care of yourself, my love.
Of course I will take care of myself.
I wasn't talking to you. I was referring to my son.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, baby.
I want you to wait for me by the car, okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good.
Mom, I love you.
Hey, listen. I want you to do me a favor.
What favor?
I want you to help me talk to Anastasia. I know that you're talking with Anastasia. Please help me tell her to come home. Tell her to take my calls.
Some wounds really take time to heal. Especially wounds that are inflicted by men like you. Please, take good care of my son for me. And don't teach him how to be selfish. Please.
Oh, eat your food. Oh, don't you like the food?
Is there a problem, boy? Hmm? Talk to daddy. It's a nice meal. You should try it.
Yeah.
Listen, if you don't like this one, you tell me what you want, I'll go get it. Hey, why are you crying? What is it? What's the problem?
I want my mommy.
And why don't you want to go with him?
Mama, I cannot believe you're asking me that question.
It's just for a few days.
Mama, please, I cannot go there.
He is still the father of your son. This whole thing is still amazing for your son. He doesn't understand what is going on. You need to help him ease into his new life because that is where he belongs. And besides, traditionally, we cannot withhold him from being with his father.
Mama, please stop trying to convince me. If there's anybody that belongs there, it is my son. So let him learn how to get used to his new house. That is his fate. We all have our crosses to bear. Ha!
I know. But you have to help him.
I don't have to do anything. Besides, if he wants to come to the house to see his son, he's always free to do so. Nobody will stop him. In fact, Mama, Biko, I don't want to continue this conversation again.
And supposing he travels out with your son to a faraway place where you can never see him again.
She didn't agree to come with you.
Yes.
I knew it's going to be difficult for her to agree. But don't give up, son. Keep trying, okay? Okay?
I just want my son to be comfortable around me. To see me as his father. Is that too difficult to ask?
Calm down, son. Let us hope she will be convinced and comes back and stay with her son.
She insists I come over to her house to see him every day. How was I supposed to get used to me as his father? It's not enough to say, hey, now your dad is your father. I want him to see me as one.
He will. Just a matter of time.
Time? How much time? How long am I supposed to wait? This is more difficult than I thought.
It's okay. Let's give her some time. Have you taken anything?
Anne!
Were you expecting somebody else?
No. I'm happy to see you. You're welcome.
Anne, you did not come to carry me. What's happening?
Mom, the car is at the mechanic. Good afternoon.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Why are you just staring? You're not even hugging me and stuff.
Oh, hey,
I miss you.
I missed you too. Thank you very much for coming back. Okay?
Hey, now you're here. It's time to eat lunch, so?
So I came at the right time.
Let's go to bed.
So I'll just go freshen up.
Okay.
And I missed your cuisine.
So,
do you want something?
No. Thank you very much for the rethink and accepting to come. Do you need some help?
no, I don't. Thank you very much.
I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry.
Can you stop apologizing? It's actually taking us back. Please. The idea is for us to forget. And if you keep apologizing, we can't do that. Apologies only redress the issue. It doesn't heal it. So please just stop. Stop.
How do I make things right again?
You're already doing that. You're becoming a good father to my son. What more can I ask for?